Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into GitHub and enabling Copilot. This gives the service access to your repo context. Once done, enable the browser extension or editor integration so suggestions appear inline. Then open the file you want to edit, place your cursor, and type a short, explicit prompt or comment that describes the function you need. This first action triggers Copilot to generate completions, so start with a clear intent to get relevant code right away. Once suggestions appear, accept them quickly with tab or review alternatives using the inline menu. This keeps flow smooth. Make sure to write descriptive comments that state the desired behavior, inputs, and edge cases. Copilot uses that to craft accurate functions and tests. If suggestions stray, provide more surrounding code or narrow the prompt so context matches. Also, split large files into focus sections to help Copilot pick the right scope and reduce irrelevant completions. You finalize by carefully reviewing the generated code and running tests before committing. Copilot is an assistant, not an authority. Once satisfied, commit changes and push. Make sure to adjust Copilot settings like suggestion length and privacy options to fit your workflow. If Copilot stops responding, reload the editor, re-authenticate GitHub in the browser, and restart the extension. If problems continue, clear the extension cache or toggle the feature off and on to restore normal suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.